So typically when you put a K-swap in an EF or a DA, you have to move your prop valve because it sits here, the valve cover sits here, and most people just bend it over like this. We have the mount fully secured into place. It is welded in 4 points, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The reason why I did 4 instead of the whole thing, it'd be easier to remove if I have to remove this mount for whatever reason. Damn, look at these towers. They're looking mighty fine. Over here, loving it. I must say, doesn't look too shabby. Got the header bolted on with 2 nuts, and I'm gonna have to modify the hell out of this. I am going to be using a stock 0204 RSX harness. This is a type S to be exact because we have the reverse lockout plug right here for the 6-speed trans. So when you buy a conversion harness for the stock harness or a tuck harness, it comes with the other end of the plug right here. The other plug that I was talking about is right here. That's plugged up right there and right here. Plug that goes to the stock engine harness is plugged in here. We have our third ECU plug right there with the other 2 right here. I have a hole right here for the spring to help the pedal bounce back when it's depressed. When I let go of the clutch, it should just kind of shoot back. Thread it in there. Boy, that's gonna be a lot to clean. In the package, they provide you a belt, the belt that is needed for this kit. They give you the tensioner right here, the pulley for your alternator, all of the hardware. And all these little clear bags is everything that Brian hooked me up with as far as my fuel system goes. In between the valve cover, in between the stud, into the AM fuel rail. All of the O-rings are lubricated already. This guy, this one, and also this guy. I'm gonna go ahead and just screw it into the rail and I have my maps. We got power to the ECU. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and what's going on here? This is a bone stock K20 A2. I'm gonna go prime it again. $30? What the you just turned on? The car is freaking on, guys. These are 32 mil base model axles, RSX. Hell yeah, brother. I found a super random EF DX startup cable. This is the longer one for the dual point manifold, and I had a GSR bracket. mind.